Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study for high school chemistry. Start by building a strong foundation. Focus on understanding core concepts like atomic structure and chemical bonding thoroughly. Don't just memorize, strive to grasp the why behind each principle. Actively engage in class discussions and always ask questions if something is unclear. Consistent daily review of your notes will significantly improve retention and make future topics easier to learn. Chemistry is very much about problem solving, so practice is key. Dedicate time to working through a variety of problems from your textbook, worksheets, and online resources. Focus on understanding the methodology for each problem type, not just getting the right answer. If you get stuck, try to identify where you went wrong. Studying with friends can also be incredibly helpful for discussing difficult concepts and explaining solutions to each other. Move beyond passive reading with active learning strategies. Make flashcards for key terms, chemical formulas, and reaction types to aid memorization. Visual learners will benefit greatly from drawing diagrams of molecular structures or reaction mechanisms. Concept maps can also help connect different topics. Don't hesitate to use online resources like educational videos or interactive simulations for alternative explanations and deeper understanding. For exams, create a study schedule and review all material, paying special attention to areas where you've struggled previously. Practice timed tests to improve your speed and accuracy. Remember, your well-being is crucial. Ensure you get enough sleep and eat nutritious meals to keep your mind sharp. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Good luck with your chemistry studies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.